Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a GIF directly from a camera of your Motorola Signature smartphone. First of all, we're gonna have to swipe down the control center and swipe to the tile that says GIF Maker, tap Start, and now we're gonna have to create a selection in which we want to capture something we'll create a GIF from. Now, if you want to use your camera, go to the camera app and now adjust the selection so that no other elements except for what you see through your camera is shown on the screen. And now to start a GIF creation, you just have to tap Start right here and then create a short video. And once you're finished, tap the red square icon. And now to save this file to our photos, tap right here to share and then select photos. And then either just once or always tap upload. Then wait for a moment, and now if we go to the Photos app, we'll be able to find our GIF in here. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.